Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. My name is Zulakimi Bazambari. The metric ID is CD23020 and I am the project manager for the group 3. So I'm here with my group members from the section 01E, one Muhammad Zaris Anas bin Wan Muhammad Nur as a system analyst, Ba Magdat Ayat Muhammad Daha as a tester, and Siti Harunisa binti Muhammad as a programmer. So to discuss our system, which is Carousell system, it will begin with the IAT for question 1, and I will take over for question 3.1, and then Nisa for question 3.2, and then I will take over again for question 3.3, and then Zaris will take over for the question 4, and for the question 5 and 6, we'll all will explain about it, and the last question, which is question 7, Nisa will take over it.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bamit Hajiyat Muhammad, and my matric ID is CB24140, and my role is tester. And I will present question number 1. Our project system is Carousell. Firstly, you want to know what's Carousell. Carousell actually is a leading e-commerce platform founded on 1 May 2012 in Singapore. The platform provides a seamless experience that easily connects sellers and buyers. The second point is what's Carousell designed to be. Carousell actually designed to be mobile first, allowing users upload products, browse section like electronics, fashions, and services, and communicate directly via chat to build trust and transparency. The third point is what features make Carousell user friendly for buyers and sellers. The main features include easy images uploads option and fraud protection while using technologies like AI, price, tips, and personalized notification for a smooth experience. And that's all. That's all for me. Now we will move to the next presenter.
So this is the example of our main user interface of Carousell. So as you can see, it's look like clear and modern, and it include a variety of features that make it make it easy for user for using it, and it's also user friendly. So the objective of the portal actually uh, target a market of buying and selling second-hand product to be specific in the Southeast Asian countries, such as Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, and Philippines, and other countries such as Australia, Canada, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. So the function of the website are very useful for selling goods online, as it allows finding anything that could interest a user, including electronics, clothes, furniture, and toys. It's also encourage recycling and using products, hence play an important role in the formation of an environmentally sensitive nation.
I am Siti Harunisa binti Muhammad as a programmer for this project. For introduction of the website, the info service is the Carousell is a simple platform for buying and selling. It's super simple. Just create an account and then you push your item for sale, or you can search through the several category for finding amazing deals. The instant chat option make it easy to communicate directly with the buyer or the seller, so you can speed up the negotiation and you can close the deal. If you need help, you can contact the Carousell Help Center that has cover detailed frequent Q&A. Carousell have a live chat support and a contact form for any question. For businesses, Carousell offers special tools to boost visibility, streamline listing management, and reach more customers. It's the perfect sidekick for leveling up your online store.
So next is expectation of software engineering involving in portal. So software engineering is very important because it plays a key role in ensuring Carousell's portal is reliable and stable with minimal downtimes and crashes. Enabling seamless commerce for users, they also protect operational data by implementing security and protection policies. Additionally, good software engineering ensures fast loading times and support many users as accessing the portal at once. It's also improving the overall user experience.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muhammad Zaris Anas bin Wan Muhammad Noh, and my metric number is CD23027. My role in this group is system analyst. Based on the case study assigned, the most appropriate software process model for Carousell system is the incremental development model. But why we choose this software process model? Actually, there's a two reasons to support our decision to use incremental development model. Firstly, is flexibility and adaptability. The incremental development model provides us with options and changes and the ability to improve constantly. Developing each part in stages also makes it possible for development team to capture user needs and respond to them within a short time. This way, we do not develop unneeded features that the users do not want, therefore they find the product better align itself to their needs. Secondly, is yearly delivery usable features. This model also means that we are capable of delivering handy application for users from the beginning. This way, we are able to release the part of the project that is feasible and can be deployed to serve customer faster. It also allows us to receive feedback early and makes users less frustrated as they can see constant update and new function added often. Six phase of implemented development process that we ran along developing the Carousell system. Initially, we begin with specification phase, which we conduct requirement analysis, list necessary features such as user registration, creation of listing, search, and we define high-level detail for each increment. Subsequently, design and implementation phase where we design and develop portion of system incrementally, create graphic user interface and database, implement design and develop a working model, use prototype for user feedback and make necessary changes. Then, validation phase which we perform validation tests such as unit testing. For each increment, this phase important to gather end user feedback and ensure satisfaction and compliance with previous increment. After that, integration phase that we combine new increment with existing features and test the integrated system to ensure all part works together. Next is deployment phase, where we finally deliver increment to end users. Users can enjoy new features and provide feedback, and we can provide user documentation and release notes for updates. Lastly is evolution phase that is crucial to continuously gather feedback from users and the market and improve existing features, perform routine refactoring, and maintain system structure. Expected deliverable for each process activity. For specification phase, create a requirement document outlining what the system needs to do. Use diagram to show how the system works and how users will interact with it. Identify and prioritize the most important features to develop first. For design and implementation phase, develop a high-level design of the system, create UI prototype for key functions like product listing and user registration, build a basic user registration features to get yearly feedback, plan how new features will be integrated into the new system. For validation phase, develop a test plan and test cases for different type of testing. Collect feedback from stakeholder and make necessary correction. Ensure the system meets the specification and integrate well with other parts. For integration phase, build a functional version of the system with all current advancement, record outcome of integration tests to ensure smooth usability, update system documentation to reflect new features. For deployment phase, provide users with access to new features and enhancement, release the update system based on detailed release plan, collect user feedback to improve future service. Lastly, evaluation phase, change request for new or revised requirement, refactoring code, performance and maintenance reports, and feedback for the system improvement.
For the Gantt chart, week 1 until week 2 is a specification phase. It starts at 1st January 2024 until 16 January 2024. This phase is begin at the start of the project. This includes defining requirements and gathering input from the stakeholders. For week 3 until week 6 is a design and implementation phase. It starts at 16 January 2024 until 15 February 2024. The phase start after the specification phase is initiated. The team works on UI or UX design, database schema, and system architecture. Validation phase overlap with the design and implementation to allow testing of yearly prototypes. For week 7 until week 9, it is integration phase. It starts at 15 February 2024 until 1st March 2024. It starts concurrently with the validation phase. This focus on integrating the newly developed features into the existing system. For week 10 until week 11, it's development phase. It starts at 1st March until 16 March 2024. This phase is overlapped with the integration to finalize feature and fix issue. This includes deployment preparation. For the week 12 until week 13, it's evolution phase. It starts at 16 March 2024 until 31st March 2024. This phase is the final stage, focused on collecting user feedback and applying market changes and refactoring.
So as a project manager, I will explain about the interaction styles that has been applied in the system, which is direct manipulation, form fill-in, selection. So for the direct manipulation, the example is filtering and sorting results to simplify item searches for buyers. So the features is customer can sort item by price, which is low to high or high to low. And the purpose is help buyers quickly find item that match their needs. And the second is form fill in. So the example is feedback form. The features is user can react, give the rating system 1 to 5, reflect user satisfaction level. And the purpose is improve user experience by allowing a buyer to rate and comment on their interaction. So the last is menu selection. So example is location filter. The features is user can choose regions or cities using a drop down menu. The purpose is to enhance the buying experience by allowing users to select specific location for products or services.
Thanks for the brief, presenter. And Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. My name is Bamtu Jad Muhammad, and my matric ID is CB24140. And I will talk about the form filling and tracking style. Firstly, Carousell form filling tracking style method enhance user experience. For sellers, it's used to enter product details, the name, buyers, category, images, as we can see the first image. And the second one about buyers. It appears on the payment page where users choose shipping and payment methods, as we can see in the second page. In Carousel, menu selection styles make browsing easier with clear categories. For example, all categories and button icons for quickly feature switching, reducing errors and saving time. Carousel use direct manipulation style to make buying and selling simple. Users can click or drag or scroll to the browse or update products easily. Filters like price and location and update results instantly, making it faster and enjoyable for everyone.
For the interaction style, we have direct manipulation, menu selection, and notification-based interaction. For the direct manipulation, for example, is a profile-centric interaction. The function is to provide access to seller profile so that we can see their rating, their review, comment, and the past listing. First is to build trust and transparency, helping buyers to make more confident and secure purchase decision. The next one is menu selection. For the menu selection, we have the example is icon-based interface. For the icon-based interface function is we can use a visual icon for categories and key action like search and messaging. The next one is notification-based interaction. The function is to provide timely updates and alert through the push notification and pop-up message. The buyer can see the offer and the listing update. The purpose is to ensure smooth communication and keep user engaged by notifying them about the important event.
So as a project manager, I will explain about three factors that influence the confidence gained from the V&V activities. So the first function is software functions. Uh, so as a project manager, I will ensure the features like chat, search, fraud protection, and payment system directly support company objective. Uh, Prioritize features that enhance user experience, increase engagement, and reduce risk. Implement verification and validation activities throughout development to ensure features meet specification and user expectation. Prioritize critical features like fraud detection to allocate resources effectively. And by aligning software with business goals, project managers deliver solution that meets user needs and drive organization growth. So the second is stakeholder expectation and satisfaction. Um, as a project manager, uh, meet user expectation with features like real-time chat, AI-powered search, and reviews. Fraud protection is important. Prioritize fraud prevention to ensure secure transaction and build user trust. Conduct through validation and user acceptance testing to ensure features work as intended and meet user needs. Provide the developers with clear requirements and high quality technical deliverables. Implement code reviews and static checks to ensure code quality and early issues detect. And lastly is risk management and time delivery. Identify and address potential issues like bugs, delays, and major changes. Prioritize critical features like fraud protection and payments. Focus on strategic planning, resource allocation, and break down work into smaller tasks. Conduct through V&V activities, including code reviews and user acceptance testing, and reduce delays.
Three factors that influence the confidence gain from verification and validation activities. The first factor is system purpose. Based on my role as a system analyst, I ensure that the software functions align with Carousell's business goal. This includes features like real-time chat, AI search, fraud protection, and payment. My job is to verify and validate these features to meet users' need and the business objective, ensuring a smooth and trustworthy user experience. The second factor is regulatory requirement. System analysts like me will make sure Carousell complies with all legal requirements, such as data protection laws and payment security standards. This involves validating the platform to prevent fraud and ensure secure transaction, building a trustworthy platform for users. Uh, Third factor is development process. I play an important role as system analyst to oversee the development process to maintain high quality and reliability. Using agile method, I run automated tests after each development sprint to catch and fix defects yearly. This continuous testing ensures the system meets stakeholder expectation and provide a reliable user experience.
The factor that influence the confidence gained from the verification and validation activities is good quality and maintainability. This factor is to ensure key features like chat, AI power search, fraud detection, and payment to align with the company goals, like building trust and enabling seamless transaction. And then we need to focus on enhancing user experience, engagement, and risk mitigation. To integrate verification, such as code review or automated testing, and validation for user feedback throughout the development. This factor prioritize critical feature like fraud detection for efficient resource allocation and align software with the business goals to meet user requirement and drive growth. The second factor is integration of critical modules. Modules like chat, user authentication, and alert must integrate seamlessly to ensure that the platform is functionally smooth. Next is to implement permission to ensure only authorized user can check the seller and auto-triggered recommendation for message delivery status. Facilitate transparency and continuous interaction among modules to create a cohesive user experience. Okay, this factor also to conduct integration and system testing to verify individual components and their interaction and identifying issue yearly. This factor also to resolve issue promptly through testing to ensure high system reliability and deliver a graceful shopping experience. The last factor is scalability under loop. This factor because the platform must function flawlessly during high traffic event like promotion sales, flash sale, and holiday. User expect fast and crash-free experience as latency can quickly erupt trust. Features like smart search must remain quick, seamless, and efficient even under traffic load. This factor also to achieve scalability through distributed system, caching mechanism, and load balances to handle traffic spike. Next is streamline and reliable system with user and loyalty. This is to contributing to long-term business success.
Thanks for the previous presenter. My name is Bamit Muhammad. My matric ID is CB24140 and my role is tester. And I will talk about factors influence confidence gained from V&V activities. Firstly, I want to talk about the first factor, which is software function. As a tester at Carousell, I ensure a key function like search, advertisement, and payments work smoothly. I focus on make everything is clear and secure and fast for a better user experience. The second factor, which is user expectation. As a tester at Carousell, I focus on UI testing, ensure I use user-friendly experience. This implements easy and creation, smooth pictures, uploads, and clear filters for browsing products. The third factor, which is the marketing environment. At Carousell, I make sure context tracking and advertisement display work well during campaigns. I also check updates to keep the platform suitable and releasable while supporting new features. That's all for me, and I will pass the mic for the next presenter.
Factor that influence the software post-development dedicated to maintenance cost factor is team stability and sustainable growth. A stable team retains deep knowledge of the system architecture and functionality, minimizing maintenance costs by reducing time spent on debugging, refactoring, and onboarding new developers. Next is to continuity allow for the seamless implementation of advanced features such as AI power search, price recommendation, algorithm, and robust fraud prevention system without delay from ramp-up time. Stability prevent inconsistencies in system context, support efficient enhancements, and ensure the system remain dynamic and adaptable to evolving needs, saving both time and money while fostering sustainable growth. The next factor is architecture and maintenance efficiency. A well-designed, modular, and scalable architecture prevent the accumulation of structural load, reducing the complexity and cost of update while ensuring the system can accommodate new requirements. Adhering to design best practice, minimize backward incompatibility issue, avoid a long-term technical debt, and support faster feature release and bug fix. Maintaining a robust architecture aligned with the best practice ensure the platform longevity, cost effectiveness, and ability to handle substantial performance improvement, such as enhancing filtering algorithm for new product categories like luxury goods.
So that's all from us. Thank you so much.